Hey, hi guys, so welcome to our channel Great Unboxing. And guess what, we have got our hands on the latest HP Pavilion X360 convertible laptop, which was launched in the recent Amazon Freedom Sale, and I got it over there about 49,900. So let us just check what's mentioned on the box. So as we can see over here, the specifications are given over here, and as you can see, the MRP over here is mentioned as 57,307, but as I told, I got it at 49,900. The link will be mentioned in the description. What's on the other side is all the details. So let us just go and unbox this. Yeah, so let's see what's inside this. Okay. So the charger, which is quite small. Everything else. Here's the laptop. We can just keep the box aside. And what else inside the box? Yeah, so we have got this HP pen inside. So instruction manual over here. We can keep it aside. So let's see. So it comes with the battery. We have seen similar kind of pen in the last versions of the X360 as well. So you can just put it. It has got two buttons in it. Okay, so what else is there? Okay, so they have given two nib replacements as well, and here I believe the instruction manual for the pen. Yes, so we can keep it aside. Okay, coming to the laptop. Okay, so on the back side you can see a WhatsApp support over here mentioned. There's a vent over here and the Windows logo. So it's quite slim, as you can see over here. So on the right hand side we have got a HDMI port, we have got a USB port, we have got a type C and a SD card reader along with the power plug-in. Over here we have got another USB, the power button and the vent over here, and a headphone jack. So they are mentioned in the description as USB type C and a USB 3 as well. So we have to check it out. So over here you can see the Microsoft Office and Home logo along with the Intel logo and the B&O system. The audio system is B&O over here. And here says the Pavilion series. Here's the power button. I believe there's some charge in it. So we are all set to go, and you can see the screen over here, and you can see the colors is quite vibrant, and overall it's looking quite good. So let us see the pen over here. Yep, works fine. So This is a regular laptop mode, as you can use it in this mode, and if you don't want, so they are giving an option of a tablet mode, and I think is something, do you want to switch to tablet mode? Yes, and here it is. So it automatically changes to the tablet version. So you can see it's quite handy over here, and if you're not a like laptop user and you'd want to just get along with something else and you're getting bored, you can just try it out. So overall it looks quite elegant and quite good over here. Okay, so you can see, and it's quite lightweight. So they have mentioned as 1.59 kgs in the box, so it's quite lightweight, and it looks like a very stylish and kind of a compact device which you can carry along with you anywhere. So well, I think it's a good choice at this price point that HP is offering. So do let me know your views in the comment section, and also if you want a detailed review, just let me know and I'll publish the same. The link to this laptop will be given in the description and the other details as well. So till then, stay well and stay safe. Thank you for watching this video, and please like, share and subscribe our channel.